and now we're gonna look at a tool, Swept Cut. The Swept Cut tool is the same as the Swept Boss base, but instead of adding material, we are cutting material. So let's go to the features, and here we have a Swept Cut. Let's select. So here we have option sketch profile, and so for example, we can choose this sketch here, this rectangle, and for the pet we can choose this one. And let's click OK. So we got this result. So we didn't add material, we cut material. Let's go edit. And now for the guide curve, let's choose this curve here. Like this. And now let's click OK. And now we got this result. Like this. Now here down we can see that we have a sketch, this rectangle, but we don't have a pet. Now let's go to the features. Let's go to Swept Cut. And now for a profile, we're going to choose this rectangle. And for the pet, we're going to choose this edge. So we can also choose an edge. Like this one. We can see the preview. Let's click OK. And now we got this result. Let's go to the Cut Sweep 1, Edit feature. Let's go to Guide Curves and let's delete this guide curve. Let's go to Options. So here we also have Profile Orientation. We can go Follow Pet and we can go Keep Normal Constant, like this. As well, we can go with Profile Twist. We can specify twist value. We can go with 180 degrees, like this. And let's click OK. And now we got this result, like this. If we want to see the cross section, we can go here to Section View, like this. Let's change here. Let's go to this face. And let's see our cross section here. And now we can see our cross section. Like this. Let's exit. Let's go to Cut Sweep. Let's edit feature. And let's go to Circular Profile. And now we have this result. So now our profile is not rectangle, it's circle. Let's click OK. And now we got this result. So we have the same possibilities as with the Swept Boss base, but here we cut material.